Hi guys, I'm Ramon Bautista, and I'm an internet superstar. You feel very, very sad because you want to surf the internet, but you don't have your own computer? No problem, because new Smart Bro SurfTV is here. You just plug and play, then pwede ka nang mag-surf sa internet straight from your TV. Wow! You can now stay at home and use your TV to check Friendster, Facebook, Google, YouTube, and many more. Plus, you can also play music and videos from a USB flash drive. Get this marvelous product all for only not tens and thousands of pesos, but for only 4,500 pesos.
So change your life.
Get yours now.
Use Smart Bro SurfTV.
Basta may TV, internet's easy.